Click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos.
Whenever you look at a horoscope, write this down. You cannot forget the placement of that horoscope. You have to by heart that horoscope mentally. Are you all understanding? Suppose you look at Mahatma Gandhi's horoscope. Okay. So you will say Libra Lagna, Venus, Mars in the Lagna in the first house, Saturn in the second house, Ketu in the fourth house, Jupiter retrograde in the seventh house, Rahu Moon in the 10th house, Sun Mercury in the 12th house. Or Sun in the 12th house, Mercury in the first house, along with Venus and Mars, if I remember that well.
According to Astro Aisha.
Sorry, somebody said something. Hello? Did somebody say something? Are you getting it? Once you develop this habit of remembering a horoscope, so you are not supposed to remember your horoscope first, anybody's horoscope. So second homework, Rupa ji, Rakesh, everybody write down homework.
Yes, sir.
5 horoscopes in tomorrow or Monday and Tuesday's exercise of you and your loved ones or friends or whatever. Take it up and you have to verbally close your eyes and say it in front of the video to Rakesh and Rupa ji for the rote learning exercise. Got it? This will develop automatically without spending a single rupee. You are activating your Mercury and making it super strong. No need to do puja, havan, spend money buying gemstones. This exercise you do
Nice, sir.
of just remembering, you will get a photographic memory. Your brain power will become double. But it should be done every day. Every day. So the first step will be Rashi chart.
Yes, sir.
Then Rupa ji and Rakesh ji will teach Nauman's chart how to see in Jagannath Hora. Got it? Which is the marriage chart and also fruits of your karma. Or fruit of your life.
Yes,
So by Wednesday, Monday, they will see Rashi chart. Both the batches over, 40 people. Time you have to decide and put it. And maintain in the Excel sheet who has not come. Rupa ji and Rakesh ji. Is Rakesh there?
Yes, sir.
Gone yet?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then after Wednesday, in your Excel sheet, note down who has come for the rote learning, who has come. So I want attendance. Then only we'll give the certificate. Okay. Then from Wednesday onwards, it is Naumansha by hearting of the same chart. Then from Friday, they have to tell Rashi and Naumansh of the same person.
Oh,
5 charts like this. It will take exactly 3 minutes per person and they are out. You don't need to sit for the whole session. Each individual comes 3 minutes, say it out. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you all can take your charts. This is one level.
Yes.
Next week we will take Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Narendra Modi, everybody. You all should remember. So you should know Rajiv Gandhi, 5 planets in the Lagna, Shani in the 11th house, He died 21st May 1991. His mother died 31st October 1984. Father died September 8, 1960. That is how you need to remember. Brother died 1980. I think it was June or July, I'm forgetting. So all you are remembering Rashi chart, you are remembering dates, everything. That's when you become a scholar in astrology. When you learn a technique from somebody, instantly you are testing on 10 charts. Instant. Dishaji, I have answered your question now. Is she there or is she gone?
Gone, sir.
So this is a very important exercise that will shoot up your phenomenal thinking. Planets will be moving around you. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you a very great tool. Huh? Nobody gives this. Nobody gives all these things, how to by heart, how to do this. We are spending a lot of effort on rote learning and this and that. But these all will form your base.
Okay.
So 5 charts, what do you have to do homework? 5 charts, which Mahadasha, which Antardasha, and see which house. Getting it?
Definitely, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before I end, I wanted to teach that, which I'll teach probably tomorrow, how to combine Vedic numerology and house and dasha and all that. Before I end, one slide I will quickly share. Okay? It is not in the order. This. See this very carefully. Leave the planets first. Whatever planets is written over there, leave it first. Okay, I'll be sending this to you in PDF by the evening. Don't worry about that. Start with the homework that I have sent you. Okay, finish the previous homeworks. That means for each zodiac sign, you will Google, find out as much information, copy paste it in Word file. Then for their symbol, you will copy paste it in Word file, read it, digest it. And it will take you years to digest it. Okay? Please sit down and observe what I'm saying now. Forget about this. Now look here. This is head and brain. Okay? So that is the first sign. What is the sign?
Mars.
Sign.
Aries.
I said forget the planet.
Mesha.
I
Aries.
forget the
Sign. Mesha.
So in Mesha, what will you write down?
Head and brain.
Write down head portion. Okay? And let's assume this is Mesha Lagna. So you'll write down head. After head, what comes? What body part comes if you go from top? Throat,
Neck.
throat, neck. Correct?
Yeah.
Eyes. This is a head. So
Yeah.
eyes will come in second house.
Yeah.
Taurus or second house. I'm repeating. Taurus or second house, eyes. Mesha or first house, head, brain. Got it? Third is your this part, lungs. Third house. Create a diagram. From your hand, you should know how to draw a horoscope. Do it right now. Don't be dependent on computers. Draw a blank horoscope right now in the paper. Can everybody do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
Why can't I see anybody here? Or everybody's video is off or what? Ricardo is there. So draw in your diagram whether you're doing North Indian or South Indian. Draw third part, this area, lungs area. Getting it? Fourth part, your breast and chest and heart. Fourth house or Cancer, breast, chest and heart. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Some people even take third part to be heart and lungs. Remember, there is confusion, not confusion, different classes, different rishis are given different nomenclature. As your experience goes, you will realize. Don't worry. Fifth house will be your this area. Can people see me? Stomach, upper stomach area. Upper stomach. So Leo and fifth house, upper stomach. Some classics for Leo says heart. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One classic, Varamira, Brihad Jataka, 1600 years back, says Aquarius for heart.
Aquarius.
Right now, don't get worried. Just follow the natural part of the zodiac. Sixth house, lower part of stomach. The intestines, the lower intestines. Sixth house or Virgo. Got it? You are making it in your diagram. I'm purposely not showing diagram here because when you use your hand, you're activating your brain. Otherwise, laziness wait for the slides to come. If sir hasn't sent the slides for one day, sit. Let us hear some song. No homework. 5 people only have submitted homework. Seventh part, your lower part of your hips. Libra, that part of your hips. Groin area, what we call groin area. Rupa, tell it in Kannada.
ಕೆಳ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಗುಪ್ತಾಂಗಗಳ ಹತ್ರ.
Eighth part, that is Scorpio. Scorpio or eighth house. It is private parts. Some people take Libra and seventh house as private parts. Some people take Scorpio and eighth house as private parts. Rectum, anus, that area is eighth house. The area where sunlight cannot fall. Even if you are standing naked in front of the sun, rectum is that part of body part where sunlight will not hit. That is the reason eighth house is the house of darkness. In spite of sun being there in your horoscope, that is the only house which is darkness. How to interpret this? Anybody? Let's take Mahatma Gandhi's chart. Which is the eighth house? Taurus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Eighth house is the house of sadhana. Sadhana, what does you call in English? Penance. What do you call in Kannada?
Tapasya.
Tapasya in Hindi. Kannada, what do you say, Rupaji?
Sadhane.
ಸಾಧನೆ ತಪಸ್ಯ.
So it is house of darkness. When you are doing tapasya, when you are doing sadhana, do you sit in the open and do it? No, you sit quietly and do it in dark. In dark in the sense, away from people's eyes. You getting it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So it is a double dichotomy house. If you are not doing sadhana, you will be in darkness. Why do you do sadhana? Why do you do penance? To get enlightenment. Are you understanding now?
Yeah.
What is the sign over there? Taurus. Natural house for throat, food. You eat food through the throat. Okay. Throat, food, money. Getting it? And the Lord is Venus. Taurus Lord is Venus. Venus is with Mars and Mercury, a great sexual combination. So are we to say Mahatma Gandhi was a great sexualist or had many affairs? That area was dark in his life. So he started thinking. And he decided, I need to have complete control over my emotions and body. So he became celibate. Even though he was married, he became celibate. And he even started calling his wife as mother. I think Ramakrishna Paramahans also used to do that. If somebody is from Bengal, they can verify. So are you understanding? The Lord Venus, 8th house of darkness, what has it done? It has gone here with Venus, has gone here with Mars and Mercury. Great sexual combination. Mahatma Gandhi wrote in his book, My Experiments with Truth, that when my father was in deathbed, I was still interested in sex. He wrote that he was so sexual. Great man to confess that. Are you getting it? Such a great man to confess that. Who will confess that? Yeah? Come on, if I am Mahatma Gandhi, I will only create the most positive image of me. Correct? So how he transformed it into a penance. That darkness, that was a kind of high sexuality he had. He converted it into a penance and became celibate. Same way you have to use it for each and every lagna. So start thinking for each and every lagna. You have 5 people. You have 5 people in your families. Start thinking. A Mithuna Lagna person, he will be in his darkness in his career. Why? Tell me why, everybody. Not the senior astrologers, the young batch. Come on. Pramila ji, it is not just KP. In normal Vedic astrology, for a Mithuna Lagna, the 8th house will be Capricorn. Correct, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, I want the young students to come out, or you guys are feeling hungry. I mean, I'm sure you must be feeling hungry. So just come forward. Or you all are having
Yes,
food.
sir.
That is the reason all your cameras are off.
No, sir.
Not like that.
Why nobody is coming on camera? Chalo, for Karka Lagna, which is the 8th house,
Aquarius.
Aquarius.
Kumbha Rashi.
Or Leo Lagna,
Pisces.
Meena Rashi.
Meena
or
Rashi.
Leo Lagna, Pisces.
Ina.
So bed pleasures, sexuality, spirituality, all this he needs to do transformation.
Okay.
Mesha Lagna, 8th house,
Scorpio.
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 Sexuality, selfishness, revenge. You go to USA or abroad, they will say life-changing astrology reading, guiding on your path of life. Same technique they'll use $250. Same technique. Are you all getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have Lagna as Sagittarius. Now mentally calculate. Cancer will be in the 8th house. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So Cancer is 4th house of mother, property. Also, Cancer sign and 4th house is being fixed to a friend. Do you know some people, they will be in this camp also and they will be in the opposite person's camp also. I asked my mother, whom did you vote? Okay, she'll say BJP and Congress. I said, how can you vote both? I love both, na. So 1 year she'll give to BJP, 1 year Congress.
And what about the Leo Lagna?
Tell me, which is the 8th sign? We already went through it. Pisces. Pisces, we said sexuality, we said spirituality. Pisces is 12th sign. What is the biggest problem of Pisces? One issue, they will go round and round and round and round and round. I asked my friend, where is your mother? Is she in the same city where you are? He said, yes. I said, you staying with her? He said, no. I said, why? Well, there no. One question, next 3 months, whenever she calls up, that same question. Same question. I said, okay, tell me what is the latest question during lockdown? She's saying, mother is calling up and asking, are you making chapatis at home? He says, mom, I do not know how to make chapatis. Said, for 1 month, every day, she's only asking first thing chapatis. Now he's threatened, I will commit suicide, but not eat chapatis. So then I asked, what is the Lagna, yaar? He said, this is the Lagna. Anyway, point is, I want you all to think. But thinking will happen with a base. Please watch both the videos 10 times. Be serious. Be serious with your homework. I'm very serious. For me, it is not about that I'm spending the time. For me, it is about, 2-3 people of you answered so well today. I was so happy. Take the software, sit day and night with the software. Master both the softwares are free. All right?
Yes.
How many of you went to astrodatabank.com and created softwares from the data present over there? Not a single one. Kamal hai yaar. Very bad. You guys are not serious about astrology. Make that as your homework, Rupaji. Make people construct 3 international charts in front of you.
Sir, I made 20 charts, sir.
So you should have said yes when I asked you. You did not.
Yeah, I'm talking because I muted this one. That is why I called. 20 yesterday night. I was sitting.
1% among 89.
20.
Only 1%. Mr. Shashi.
Sir, I did 5, sir.
Hemaji, at least write in
All
that.
I'm having. I can give a snap also. I can show it immediately.
How do
keeping
you,
it in front of me.
Shashidarji, Manjuji, Ranjanaji, how do you inspire? You have the WhatsApp group for this. Say, this is what I did today. Inspire all the other people. Are you getting it?
Yes.
See, when we cook a recipe, okay, suppose I make paneer bhurji, okay, I will not share that recipe in the WhatsApp group. We Indians are like that, na? How can we allow somebody else to taste good food? It's against my dharma. We will not share the recipe. But if when you make it your dharma, then the rishis will help you. Inspire others. Okay?
The 20 charts which all the houses we made, all everything, Lagna, Rashi, Pada and Nakshatra. I wrote and I took all my friends, under 20 people, I was keeping it ready. Just yesterday morning onwards, I started at 11:30, night I end up at 1:30.
God.
One is computer, one is laptop.
I am proud of him.
After the Ramayana serial, I sat here on doing things continuously. Night. Again it was repetition was there. Again we continued with this. 1:30 I left and morning 20 I made, sir.
Oh my.
All chat with Lagna and all everything because I phoned up. I told them what is the time. Then that calculation when you told me that this one in software. There is in software there is a selection is there. We have to longitude that was other was there. I got a confusion. I made it in different. Then I checked the word overlapping whether this longitude or this one is wrong or right. With starting this one is there and what is that one? I've forgotten. That's at 1 minute. That immediately when you after started half an hour you told that this one has been Shashidhar. Sorry, you told that you have to calculate from Agnotri or something you told. No, that one I
Gregorian
calculated.
and Julian.
Yeah, Gregorian. Yes, I took Gregorian because I was not knowing that one. Still, I took predicted that one only because compared with those, many changes are there not.
I want people to write down Gregorian calendar and Julian calendar.
Gregorian.
People should Google. You will realize the Gregorian calendar was implemented not at one particular date all over the world. Very important. When you research this, you will find out Rome did it at one point, different country, 2-3 countries did it at different points. So in case you are making the horoscope of a historical figure, say Akbar, you should know in that country was it changed? Are you getting it? People make this mistake. Rajiv Gandhi saw wartime. What is wartime? Write it down. Do your homework. Another point, Rupaji, everybody write down. What is wartime in astrology? How to use wartime in astrology? Google. Read. Rupaji, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Somebody just wrote that he cannot write in the group. Is that the issue in the group?
We have that's only to the admins because people were posting unnecessary videos and other posts, sir. So we have made it like that.
What
Sir.
are you all doing here? Posting. I remember that thing I read somewhere. See, because of that, now people can't ask astrological questions.
I will open it, but I think strictly we'll make a rule that no one should.
Open it and strictly make a rule.
Yes, sir.
So this one. So
And
you
whoever
can see
posts
this
that
one, sir.
idiotic messages or jokes or something, you say for one day you are, you are warned, first warned. If he still continues the same person, then you for one day you remove him out and then add him again. Yes, Mr. Shashidhar.
Yeah, see this is the chart, sir.
Excellent.
I
He's
make
not
what I
even just made it in software. He's done it with his hand.
Hand.
This is the way to do it, which I told before also. Do it with
You
your
know
hand.
what? See what I did. I took a rule paper. I took this one, which one, visiting card, and made his lines and Xerox it and making night first immediately, slowly.
Excellent.
That side,
Now I will
that side
give
is
you
the
a
government.
secret. I will give you a secret which 99.9% of the astrologers cannot use because everybody is using software. Now I'll tell you how to use it.
Yes,
You draw a horoscope by hand. Okay? Before you see a horoscope, always do prana shuddhi, anum vilom. This is a golden rule. Huh? Before you do a horoscope, do anum vilom. Okay? Then when you're doing the horoscope, when you're writing the planet in the box of each house, okay,
yes, sir.
see which planet is slightly going out. So I'll show you. Taking time.
MT is ready, sir.
One second. Suppose Gemini has Mars. Okay, Jupiter. So I'm writing Jupiter. Now what has happened? Mars little bit has gone out. Suppose Venus is there. Venus has gone more out. I'm writing by hand. Okay? And I am a balanced person. Provided I am a balanced person and the Jataka's horoscope I am writing like this, then you predict in your mind Venus and Mars. Pay special attention in the horoscope. There has to be some problem. Are you all understanding? Because it is going out of the box.
मतलब शुक्र अच्छा नहीं है या शुक्र ग्रह में प्रॉब्लम है इस वजह से वो बाद में है
फिलहाल के समय में
ओके
इस समय में शुक्र में प्रॉब्लम है. Then see where is his Venus placed, or the कारकत्व of शुक्र, or the lordship of शुक्र.
ये डिपेंड करता है प्रश्न लग्न. ये प्रश्न लग्न के समय मतलब प्रश्न लग्न की
कोई भी चार्ट, राशि चार्ट,
कोई भी चार्ट
कोई भी चार्ट.
ओके
Are you all understanding?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Draw it always with your hand. And that is the reason if you are doing my daily course predictions, some of those members like Ricardo is over here. He's from the daily course. Sanam is there. Isa from Kuwait is there, etc. They know. I tell them ki when they are doing daily
I
predictions.
have also joined Bharti.
Bharti also joined. Very good. So when they are doing daily predictions, draw the same chart in hand and write down the clues. So they have to write down clues. Hand, shirt, travel, slope. Then they join. Person was traveling, his finger got stuck in the grill, his shirt got stuck in a pin or a pointed nail, and because of his weight he fell down because he was going from top to bottom of a stairs. As a result, his finger got dislocated. This is the horoscope. This finger got completely dislocated. Man fell down because of his weight more. This whole small finger completely dislocated. 8-hour surgery had to be done. I do not know whether the surgery was successful. It should be successful because the doctor who was doing it is my friend. And he is a very great surgeon. Are you all getting it? This is how you write.
Yes, sir.
This is how you write. Yesterday, where was Chandra?
Makar.
Dhanishta Nakshatra.
Oh, Dhanishta.
Dhanishta Capricorn.
Dhanishta, sir.
Anyway, always remember transit moon in the 8th from natal moon. Where was Dhanishta? I have to close the session now. Where was moon yesterday? Here. Correct? Everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many houses from natal moon? 1, 2,
8 houses.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Has anybody learned the word or heard the word Ashtam Shani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ashtam Shani. From natal moon, transit moon is in the 8th. Transit moon is in the 8th. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very famous rule of Ashtam Shani. Same is Ashtam Chandra. A specific terminology in Vedic astrology is used. I'm forgetting that now. Ashtamesh Chandra or something, Ashtam Chandra. One more word, Sanskrit word is used.
Chandrashtakam.
No, not that word. It's something else I'm forgetting. That is what happened in that horoscope. I don't want to tell you all that because Chandra Ashtamam is more of a south word. Some other word I'm forgetting now. No, Balarishta is another thing. Balarishta is not a Gochar point, Sanam. Balarishta is a natal yoga.
Shistashtaka.
Balarishta means when a person dies in young age. And it's a natal yoga. Basically, your transit moon over your natal moon 8th from it is not considered a good. In this, there are many sub-rules. One part will be good, one part will be bad. There are sub-rules. I've forgotten that 20 years back. I used to know all that. But anyway, okay. Point is, check now. Take it, write this down as a technique. Keep on checking in your horoscope. But don't get afraid. If you get afraid, then it is a problem. Then throw astrology out of your life. You should be okay, fine, Ashtam Chandra is coming, no problem. I'm going to take Hari's name. Are you getting it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's more than 3.5 hours. We must wrap it up. Thank you so much. I expect homework very clearly, and I expect Rupa and Rakesh to be hard taskmasters along with Mr. Rajiv. We will see each other tomorrow at 11 o'clock. All right?
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
announce
sir.
it in the group to everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pranam, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.